Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK areas. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel. Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, this is a question that the entire dancehall fraternity has been wondering. Some have even tried to ask this question. Some have just kept it to themselves. Now the question was presented to the teacher himself, viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel was asked if he considered including Popcaan on an album. Not the previous album, but on an album overall. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel said this, and I quote, "I mean, I'm a forgiving person, so I forgive him as I have been forgiven, because at the end of the day, no one's perfect. And sometimes you address stuff while you're angry and usually say some hurtful stuff." He also said, "It is what it is though, and I am proud to see their victories. It all started from Bounty Killer, this bust artist as an artist thing, as far as I am concerned. So I just paid forward, and that's the result. Time is the healer still." Now, viewers and subscribers, this is a profound statement from Vybz Kartel himself. First, the confirmation that yes, there is a strong possibility that we will once again, as a genre of music, hear Vybz Kartel featuring Popcaan on a track. And that would be a good look for music in its entirety. Now, we know Vybz Kartel has been instrumental, viewers and subscribers, in Popcaan's journey as an artist. Now, we know since modern times, Vybz Kartel and Popcaan situation, as much as on the media, they are on good terms. Now, the teacher's statement when he initially was put behind the bars was that Popcaan and family Sparta and even other members of the camp made no attempts to visit him, and their statement was only family members were allowed to visit. We don't know if that was true or not. In these days, we have seen from Sika, Ayaktian, Lisa, I think Spice Go, you name the people that have visited that are not blood relatives of Vybz Kartel himself. So we don't know if things have changed after sentencing and before it was one way. Talk to me if you know in the comment section. But these were the statements given by certain artists, while some people looked at it as disloyalty. Yes, people that say what you know, them disloyal, because the teacher that say, "Oh, this is one of the most dramatic situations that he has been through in his entire existence. His entire freedom hung in the balance." And they must say, "Yo, these individuals who have brought to prominence, given help them achieve a career in dancehall music, made no attempts to even give me a strength. Even just come visit and say, yo, G, you know what I mean? You know the something go. Seeing familiar faces in a certain situation just do you good. When you go through rough times, just seeing familiar faces, majority of the time, do you a whole heap of good. That's what Jamaicans call giving you a strength. It no must mean say your strength is financial or nothing like that. Just showing up. That's what we consider as giving a strength. Vybz Kartel said they never make no attempts. But him say time, over time, him decide say, what you know? We put certain situations aside. Nobody is perfect. Some people handle situations differently. You know what I mean? Yeah, and I say some people now want forward, but some people are just shaky. Then probably I say they don't want forward and get involved, and whatever the case might be. We are years in the future, and that is in the past. And Vybz Kartel say, yo, there is a strong possibility that we will be seeing Popcaan and him on a classic album or maybe just a classic track. Dancehall would have loved that, no doubt about it. We remember the songs released by Vybz Kartel and Tommy Lee Sparta. So even for our Vybz Kartel, Popcaan and Tommy Lee Sparta, that will definitely be a good look too for the music industry overall. No doubt if this track is in production, you know what go on currently Tommy Lee Sparta being detained, you know what I mean? Just a routine questioning turn into you see what go on. You don't know, Popcaan is still out there. I do film thing, you know what I mean? Vybz Kartel situation, freedom is a must. You know what I mean? Yeah, we are take the appeal international and we will be giving the victory viewers and subscribers. No doubt in our mouth, no uncertainty in our thoughts. You know the something go. Talk to me in the comment section though. You know what I mean? Definitely a surprising statement. Enough people never expect Vybz Kartel to make a statement like this. Because people, but know one thing and they never sing pan. I say, oh, the teacher is jealous of Popcaan's achievements. They are wrong. You see, because they have never helped another individual, they don't know how it feels to help somebody and see them become something great. It's almost like being a parent. That's why people consider Bounty as Vybz Kartel's musical daddy. Because when you stay so now as an individual and give somebody the break, believe in them, say, yo, I see a talent while nobody else are, the majority of the people don't see it yet. Yeah, so yo, Johnny, the artist is going to be something special. And you help put that artist in the right place. Carry him go to the studio, introduce him to the right people, and in career become, you know, as well we can see with Popcaan, link up with Drake, songs all over the world, travel tour, all these things. You feel accomplished as the person who see that. And did know say watch out. This is going to take place. And made the moves. You see, because some people, you see, in a situation where you're not financially secure, people see things for a dollar value. So people see Popcaan, house, car, clothes, and I say, alright, teacher, they behind the bars and way. And because them watch the dollar value and them see people as figures, them see people as numbers, viewers and subscribers. So they must say, oh, teacher probably not want. Listen to me. When you have your own money, you know watch how much money another individual make. And the dancehall music, we're not talking about a teacher jealous of artists. Keep this in mind. There's no other dancehall artist more dominant than Vybz Kartel. Him not have nothing for jealous over an artist have. Him not have nothing for jealous over another artist. The only thing some other artists have over Vybz Kartel right now are freedom. Freedom for move about on the streets. I don't know what going on worldwide, no shows and tours now keep. So right now, most people are trying to do a Vybz Kartel I do. As with them being a do even when the teacher is up on the road. None of them must follow the teacher style. And just realize, alright, look see what going on digital platforms. Shaggy said right now I'm going to remaster one of film album entirely just to put it on TikTok. Entirely to put it on TikTok for the another generation. Vybz Kartel has bridged the generational gap. If you don't see what going on. The youth them are sing the songs word for word. They hear the song them on TikTok, they realize them can all have vibe to it, them can dance, them can express themselves. And they have chosen to do so. Nobody never tell them to do it. Are you tell them to do it? And never me. I'm sure in a Vybz Kartel call and tell them to do it. Them do this off of them own, homegrown, organic fan base. Now talk about songs where players ads and have views and nobody now buy them. We not talk about people who talk about them have this and them achieve this and nobody internationally don't know them. These are not the accolades that we are mentioned. We are mentioned things that we can point to. We mention situations that we can prove. We not go the speculatory road. Yeah, we not go speculation. Speculation, we not dealing it. We point out the facts. Anything we talk, you can Google it if you don't believe it. And I mean, you can also go do the research. What we have done is done the research, package it, and brought it to you. You know what I mean? But if you feel like to verify anything we are talking, remember, the net is there. And we implore you to use it. You know what I mean? Yes, we implore you to gather knowledge. And knowledge alone, you know. Let me tell you. Knowledge alone. It's the key, man. Set your minds free. Viewers and subscribers, Popcaan, Vybz Kartel, new track, or even an album. You have a thing, you know, where in a hip hop artist did featured albums where all of the songs feature another individual. If Vybz Kartel for that, a number of artists on every track, you know, something we are ready to steal. But just putting that in focus. That's a big for the genre too. Especially for all the artists selected to be a part of a project like that. Yo, think about it. Food for thought. Vice to the one called Jayden Chase, a dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding them now. If you're new to the movement, new to the channel, just a pass through, but you like the reason, and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there between, drop a like on the blog for my life radio share icon is also in close proximity. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them, check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion, comment section open 24/7, never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, you know the something go. And the sentiments viewers and subscribers, you don't want to know it. And for those who don't, you want to move settings from I want to need a ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love and prosper until we reason again.